Is your Facebook app acting slow or missing new features? Most problems happen because the app is outdated. An old version can cause bugs, crashes, and missing options. Let me show you how to update Facebook properly in seconds. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and reliable Facebook solutions that actually work. Step by step, how to update Facebook app. Step 1. Open the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. These stores manage all official app updates safely. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Stay on the store's home screen to continue. Step 2. Find and open the search icon at the top of the store. This helps you quickly locate any app on your device. Type clearly to avoid opening the wrong app. You're now ready to search. Step 3. Search for Facebook in the search bar. From the results, locate the official Facebook app. Open the app's main page to see update details. This page shows your current version status. If this guide is helping you, hit the like button. And subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook tips and fixes. Your support keeps these helpful videos coming. Step 4. If an update is available, you'll see the update option. Proceed with the update and allow it to complete fully. Wait until installation finishes in the background. Once done, your app is officially up to date. Boom, update complete. You now have the latest Facebook version with improved performance. Keeping your apps updated is one of the smartest tech habits. It improves security, unlocks new features, and fixes hidden bugs. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below for more Facebook and mobile tips you can trust. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your tech life simple, smart, and up to date.